The good things, well, Julie and Adela have already mentioned, no? The lowering of taxes, the passing off of systems laws to away from the consumers and hopefully to Meralco, and then attacking the corruption problem. So he actually gave us a lot of good news. Now, the interesting thing is, for example, the corruption. Again, given the fact that it was written by Manolo Quezon, and I'm sure PBBM did his own editing, what I found lacking on the corruption campaign was that he was focusing on trying to investigate and put to justice the big fish, which I think is very interesting news to all of us. So we like to, or the ordinary layman would like to see, sino ba nahuli? Sino, big fish ba? Ganyan. But as a political junkie, what I was looking for are what are the means he's doing, the administration's doing to plug the holes, to make corruption less susceptible. The way Len is talking, no, things like Freedom of Information Act, the Anti-Dynasty Law, the law to improve party list system, and laws trying to minimize padrino or patronage politics. Those were not mentioned because you can have all the anti-corruption investigation. You can put a lot of these people in jail, but without these measures, corruption will continue.
Right.
It has continued since time immemorial. So that is one big thing missing about the speech, no?